We have an obesity epidemic. We have all these different chronic diseases.
Or are the primate cousins?
Yeah. We didn't evolve to eat all this crap that we're eating today. So what I've told many people in these podcasts is that our food science and technology and our society's technology has evolved so much faster than our biology.
Can you explain to me, in simple terms, the role that exercise is playing in staving off cancer?
Well, exercise lowers blood sugar, and also lowers glutamine. So the two fuels that are driving, now we can't completely remove glutamine by exercise, that's for sure. But my late good friend George Cahill published some papers on showing how exercise could actually lower glutamine availability. So it's a little bit of a push. But you're also, when you exercise, you're burning, and you're not eating a lot of carbs, your mitochondria are burning ketones, and the oxygenation from all the exercise is keeping those mitochondria super healthy at their highest level of energy efficiency. So exercise...
You're building muscle as well, aren't you? So
yeah, you can build muscle, but you're certainly getting aerobic exercise. Oxygen is coming in, and you're burning ketones, which I already told you is a super fuel. So your body is super healthy. These bodies from the Paleolithic period, these men were jacked. There was no obesity in these people. They had tremendous energy. They're not dying from the things that are killing us. They're dying from injuries and infections.
When you described this slow and gradual shift in the cell as it moves to this sort of ancient system, it sounded very gradual. So in my head, I thought, okay, so does that mean that the cancer is a gradual process that is kind of building up in me or isn't building up in me based on the lifestyle decisions I'm making and my environmental factors right now? Like I'm trying to say, does cancer start slowly, years before you find it in a doctor's lab?
It is a gradual process, but it can be impacted by several provocative agents from the microenvironment. Lack of exercise, okay? So we're not exercising nearly as much as our Paleolithic ancestors, bar none, right? We have massive amounts of processed carbs in our diets. We have a lot of emotional stress, mental emotional stress that's impacting negatively on our biology. We have lack of sleep. Sleep, a lot of us, because we have stresses. You have to have, when you put all of these impactful things together in one person, you can put yourself at risk